Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Sami from the Biostatistics Learning Group, and today we will talk about Chapter 2, looking at the data. So, as you know, this is called a bar chart. Um, so, figure 2, uh, 4, figure 2, 3, read drawn as a point graph. So, now this is figure 2, 3, it is just figure 2, 2, which is drawn as horizontal, and this is drawn as a point graph. So tables, data from table to two, we're gonna rank order, and this another one showing the intervals, midpoint, counts, cumulative. This is a histogram showing the number, so on so. So in bar chart, there are spaces between the bars, whereas histogram, the bars touch each other. So you see in histogram, they're just touching each other's. And if we see in a bar chart, there is a space between each one. Yeah, so there's a space between each bar. And there is a stem leaf plots of related flora. Frequency polygons. So table 5, first step in constructing a stem leaf plot is writing the stems, and 2.6 is stem leaf plot of the first 10 items of table 2.2. This other one is stem leaf plot of all data. This is the stem, this is the leaf. And this picture, it's a frequency polygon. The assumption of smooth transition from point to point in frequency polygons. Data of three groups displayed as bar graphs, and you can see the spaces between each bar. Cumulative frequency polygons. So this is a frequency polygons. The lines are differentiated by color and symbol type. This is a cumulative frequency polygon. The case of missing 0. So the proportion of males and females in a study, grant monetary year, these are comparing two groups using a pie chart. The pie chart again, stacked bar chart, whether this is single, common law, widowed, married, divorced. This is stacked, not bar, but a line graph, stacked line graph. This is demographic characteristics of countries. This is a table of infant mortality rate. So now we go to the exercises. What graph will you use to present your data in these cases? Number one, number of hair transplant sessions per person. So it's a number. You're going to use a histogram for that number. Time since last patient indicated his or her gratitude. Time since last patient indicated his or her gratitude. This is a frequency plot or histogram accordingly. Number three, the number of patients with 0, 1, or +2 results, 75% stenosis. So now they're just ranking it. So it's a bar chart. It's a bar chart. A bar chart available to histogram in this situation because the category 2+ makes the underlying scale more ordinal, so it has an order to it. If the data were not grouped at the end, histogram would be more appropriate. For before taxes income, then we would use a frequency polygon 5, income for different specialties in your profession. Income. So you're going to use a bar chart for the different specialties, specialty rank ordered by income. If there are many specialties, it's maybe better to use a point graph. And you saw the point graph earlier. So this is a point graph. Then number 6 is asking range of rest motion for 100 patients. Range of motion for 100 patients. This is a frequency polygon. You're going to use a frequency polygon for it. Anxiety inventory scores for 128 patients. You're going to use a histogram or a frequency polygon. So that concludes the chapter 2. And next session we'll move to chapter 3. Thank you so much for your time.